Welcome to AJT Learning. Let your kids realize their full potential in academic studies. AJT will help your child to build a strong confidence and master their problem-solving skills. Our system allows students will have access to a full range of grade levels and skills, so that they can work at their own pace at whatever level they need. AJT covers skills and topics from grade 1 to grade 6 that are taught and learned in over 150 countries. Our program is designed to fit all students in exam-style format, so that they will be exposed to different types of real challenges. Solutions to problems are illustrated in steps that will keep kids coming back for more. AJT is a web-based program that can view from any device as long as there is a web browser and an internet connection. New volume series will be updated from time to time, where students will have the privilege of accessing them without any restriction. And as a parent, you can join your kids to encourage and have fun learning with them. We also welcome feedbacks on how we improve on the platform. Joining AJT is easy. Choose from our most affordable monthly or yearly plans to become a member. Go to www.ajtonlinelearning.com. Log into your account. Select subject. Select level. Select the volume that you want to access. Pupils can learn at their own pace with instant solutions to the problems given. So join AJT now to give your child a strong foundation and a better learning.